welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Kwamboka Judith. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make magira, my mother's recipe. And we are going to use, these are the things we're going to use. We have peanut butter, the homemade peanut butter we made the previous video. You can check it out if you have not watched it. Then we have our lemon juice. Then lastly we have fresh milk. If you don't have fresh milk, you can also substitute it with the mala, and you will not use the lemon juice. So this is the simplest recipe from my mom. First we are going to add our peanut butter. And guys, this is the heaviest and nutritious breakfast you can have, and very simple. You can have the magira with sweet potato, or even chapati, the brown chapati or white chapati. Okay, next we'll add our milk, the fresh milk. We'll be adding bit by bit as we mix. Okay, now we can take it to the fire. So we'll keep stirring until we see the peanut oil above our magira, or on top of our magira. And to note, our heat is on medium heat. Add little milk. pinch of salt to taste. That should be enough. You can see how heavy it is. It's ready to be served. So guys, this is our end product. We have our magira, or the peanut gravy, or other people call it peanut sauce, and these are our sweet potatoes. I told you before, you can use sweet potatoes or chapatis to eat your magira. So this is what our mother used to cook for us when we were so young. My mother's recipe. So sweet. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing down below and hit that notification bell. And if you have tried this recipe, kindly let's share your experience down below in our comment section. Until next time, bye.